warehouse.
Where do you want me? This side?
No, the other side, yeah.
Okay.
Why am I in here?
You're not.
Okay.
You will be in the next shot, because I beat that punch.
Right here, good.
You're
Nice shadow or something. Do something on one side.
Is that lined up good? Just a
Yeah.
pretty
Oh.
Kiss the ring.
I like the shadow on one side.
You again! Night, night!
All right, let's go.
Quiet, set.
Is this like a shot?
No, leave it there, because we're going to be setting up for the
Okay.
next.
You again! Night, night!
Speech.
Cameras up.
Scene 70, shot 6, take 1.
Okay, here we go. And action.
You again! Night, night!
Yeah, I know. It's on. I saw
Stay
it.
back, my friend. Stay back.
We
Okay?
got it. We got it. We got it. We got
Here's
it.
your head.
Yeah.
We got
You
it.
got it?
We got it. We got it. Digger does that. Ooh, you need to do that again, face. Watch this out. But that's okay. That's okay, because we got the wide shot of it. We got it. So, ladies and gentlemen, Ken's wrap. Let's get a shot of Mike against the punch. We'll move on to the next two. All right?
Probably
Guys,
like
if your lights back over here, please.
I'll plug it. Bring it around.
Keith, I'm taking
this other gun?
Yeah.
What?